Welcome to Santa's Workshop TV, where Christmas cheer is made right here.
Gathering materials is the first step. Colored construction paper, safety scissors, glue stick, markers or crayons, and optional decorations. Folding a piece of green construction paper in half creates the base of the Christmas card, ensuring it stands upright. Cutting out simple shapes from colored paper, such as red triangles for Santa hats or white circles for snow, is essential. Arranging the cutout shapes on the front of the green card forms a festive scene before gluing. Adding details with markers or crayons and optional glitter or stickers personalizes the Christmas card.
Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until we meet again, stay jolly, be good, and keep the spirit alive all year long.